right, guys, what's up? Super quick. So tonight we are actually doing a load to Nashville, where all the tornadoes got hit, or where everything got hit by the tornadoes. You know what I'm saying? We're bringing a 15,000 pound generator up there, right into the middle of it, and it's gonna be a midnight drop. So we're gonna get rolling, and I'm gonna get all this, and we'll see how it goes. I figured you guys like to see something like this, so let's get to it. All right, guys, so we got the generator unloaded. It was supposed to be a straight through delivery, but they ended up calling me and asking if I could just deliver at 6:30 this morning. I guess they had plenty of generators delivered in. I haven't seen too much crazy damage besides XPO and Western Express. Their hubs here in Nashville. Some of their buildings they're leveled. So we're gonna head to the truck stop, and we'll see what happens from there. All right, guys, we are back at the house. Yeah, that's it. I mean, I got everything done, everything dropped off. Unfortunately, I didn't get as many clips and stuff as I really had anticipated, but I figured I'd at least show you guys, some of the small damages I was able to get on video, and the generator itself. But tomorrow morning we're gonna be heading to somewhere I haven't been in a while, and we're getting paid really good, and we're hauling something that I normally don't typically haul. So we'll see you guys on the next one.